Hello and welcome to Polymer Update. This is Simran Choudhary and you're watching Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Pune-based VK Petrochemicals India Private Limited. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude futures climbed sharply last Friday as OPEC and Russia reached a deal to cut production by 1.2 million barrels per day during the two-day OPEC meeting in Vienna. Brent traded at $61.67, a sharp rise of $1.61 per barrel, while WTI crude finished at $52.61, a gain of $1.12 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, Brent was ticking higher early Monday in Asia, finding support from Friday's decision by the OPEC and non-OPEC ministers to reduce their collective output by 1.2 million barrels per day from October levels starting from 1st January 2019. However, WTI was marginally in the red under the influence of a sour sentiment in the financial markets. Open spec naphtha prices also gained by $2 per metric ton to the $490 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Ethylene prices in Asia were hammered sharply lower last week. Prices plunged as demand trends in the region remains extremely sluggish. Weak downstream demand for PE also pressured ethylene prices lower. Reports of plentiful product availability further supported the price drop. CFR Northeast Asia prices were assessed down at the $860 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week plunge of $110 per metric ton. CFR Southeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed lower at the $775 per metric ton mark, a whopping fall of $125 per metric ton from the previous week. Propylene prices in Asia firmed last week. Prices climbed mainly on account of strong buying interest coupled with high upstream cost. Reports of constrained product avails further supported the price gain. CFR China prices of propylene were assessed up at the $925 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week surge of $55 per metric ton. FOB Korea prices of propylene were assessed higher at the $860 per metric ton levels, a sharp gain of $30 per metric ton from the previous week. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today on December 10th, 2018. LLDPE prices are higher by 55 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 8,445 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are lower by 13 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,098 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are down by 15 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 6,395 RMB per metric ton. In planned news, JXTG Nippon Oil and Energy is likely to shut its cracker in Kawasaki in early second week of December 2018 to undertake emergency repairs. The cracker is expected to remain shut for around 8 to 10 days. Located at Kawasaki in Japan, the cracker has an ethylene production capacity of 448,000 metric ton per year and propylene production capacity of 273,000 metric ton per year. Polymer Update has introduced news and price analysis on Amazon Alexa virtual assistant using Echo and other devices. The platform lets subscribers check latest news and prices just by asking Echo or any other Alexa-enabled device. This is the first of its kind on Amazon Alexa, so do read the kinds of questions that you can ask to Amazon Alexa about Polymer Update. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Pune-based VK Petrochemicals India Private Limited, a manufacturer of PP compounds under the brand name VK Fill. The company also manufactures PP talc, glass, UV flame retardant, and pre-colored compounds. The company is serving the industry from the last 42 years. VK Polymers is an authorized dealer of Reliance Industries Limited for PP and PE in Pune and Goa. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Monday, December 10th. I am Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.